Imagine a world where every sip of water is crisp, clean, and safe, without the hassle of complex installations or endless plastic bottle waste. Enter this Thereye Countertop water filter reverse osmosis system, a game-changer in home water purification. This sleek, portable, 7-stage reverse osmosis RO water purifier delivers pure, great-tasting water at the touch of a button, with instant heating for your morning coffee or evening tea. Whether you're a busy professional, a health-conscious family, or an RV adventurer, this BPA-free, no installation needed system is designed to elevate your hydration game. In this review, we'll dive deep into why the Thereye Countertop water filter is a must-have for every modern household. Why choose the Thereye Countertop water filter? Water quality is non-negotiable. From tap water contaminants like lead and chlorine to microplastics and heavy metals, the risks are real. The Thereye Countertop water filter tackles these concerns head-on with its 7-stage RO filtration system, ensuring every drop is as pure as nature intended. But it's not just about clean water. It's about convenience, sustainability, and versatility. This plug-and-play purifier requires no plumbing, heats water instantly, and fits seamlessly into any kitchen or RV setup. Let's break down why this system is a standout in the crowded water filtration market. Unpacking the problem. Why water purification matters. Tap water, while often deemed safe, can harbor invisible pollutants that affect taste, smell, and health. Bottled water isn't the answer either. Plastic waste harms the environment, and costs add up fast. The Thereye Countertop water filter solves these issues by delivering pure water on demand, reducing reliance on single-use plastics and eliminating the need for costly under-sink installations. Its 2-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio ensures minimal water waste, and the recycled wastewater can even be repurposed for tasks like watering plants, making it an eco-conscious choice for sustainable living. Key features that set Thereye apart. The Thereye Countertop water filter isn't just another purifier, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Here's a closer look at its standout features. 7-stage RO filtration system. Utilizes 3 replaceable filters with advanced components like PP cotton, activated carbon, polypropylene, and a 0.0001 micron RO membrane. This multi-layer approach removes up to 99.99% of contaminants, including lead, chlorine, fluoride, and microplastics, delivering water that's safe and refreshing. Instant heating technology. No more waiting for the kettle to boil. With a temperature range of 113 degrees Fahrenheit-208 degrees Fahrenheit, 45 degrees Celsius-98 degrees Celsius, you can enjoy hot water for coffee, tea, or baby formula in seconds. Customize your temperature with precision for the perfect beverage every time, no installation required. Forget costly plumber visits or complicated setups. This plug-and-play system is ready to use out of the box. Simply fill the 135-ounce water tank, plug it in, and enjoy pure water instantly, perfect for renters, RV campers, or anyone seeking hassle-free hydration. Portable and compact design. Measuring just 14 by 13.4 by 8.5 inches, this purifier fits effortlessly on any countertop, making it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or on-the-go RV adventures. Its sleek, modern aesthetic complements any space. Smart LED monitor. Stay informed with a large screen display that tracks pre- and post-filtration water quality, filter lifespan, and remaining water capacity. The system enters screen dim mode to save energy and operates at a whisper-quiet 46 dB for peaceful nights. Eco-friendly 2-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio. Unlike traditional RO systems that waste significant water, Thereye's efficient design produces 2 parts pure water for every 1 part wastewater, which can be reused for household tasks like watering plants or cleaning. Certified safety and reliability. FCC and ETL certified. This purifier guarantees top-tier performance and safety. It comes with a 1+1-year warranty and a 30-day return/exchange policy, ensuring peace of mind with every purchase. BPA-free materials. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free materials, the Thereye purifier prioritizes your health and safety, delivering water free from harmful chemicals. Benefits that transform your daily routine. The Thereye Countertop water filter isn't just about clean water. It's about enhancing your lifestyle. Here are the top benefits that make it a must-have. Healthier hydration. With its 7-stage filtration, you're drinking water free from harmful contaminants, ensuring every sip supports your well-being. Say goodbye to the metallic taste of tap water or the environmental guilt of bottled water. Unmatched convenience. Instant hot water, no installation, and a portable design mean you can enjoy pure water anywhere, anytime. Whether you're brewing a quick coffee or filling a water bottle for the gym, Thereye delivers with ease, cost, and eco-savings. By eliminating the need for bottled water and reducing water waste, this purifier saves you money and supports a greener planet. The reusable wastewater feature adds an extra layer of sustainability. Who is the Thereye Countertop water filter for? This purifier is perfect for health-conscious families, parents who want safe, clean water for cooking, drinking, and preparing baby formula. RV campers and travelers, those seeking a portable, reliable water purification solution for on-the-go adventures, renters and apartment dwellers, individuals who need a no-installation purifier that fits small spaces and delivers big results. Eco-minded consumers, anyone looking to reduce plastic waste and embrace sustainable living without sacrificing convenience. Coffee and tea enthusiasts, home baristas who crave instant hot water at the perfect temperature for their brews. Why Thereye stands out in the market. Compared to traditional filter pitchers, undersink RO systems, or countertop dispensers, the Thereye Countertop water filter offers a unique blend of portability, advanced filtration, and instant heating. Filter pitchers often lack the depth of RO filtration, while undersink systems require costly installations and maintenance. Other countertop purifiers may offer filtration but miss the mark on instant heating or portability. Thereye combines all these features into one sleek, user-friendly package, making it a top choice for 2025's health-conscious, eco-friendly consumers. Real-world applications. How Thereye fits into your life. Picture this. You're hosting a dinner party, and your guests rave about the crisp, clean water you serve. Or you're on an RV camping trip, enjoying hot tea under the stars without worrying about water quality. At home, the Thereye purifier simplifies your morning routine. Fill the tank, select your temperature, and brew your coffee in seconds. The smart LED monitor keeps you informed, so you're never caught off guard by a filter replacement. Plus, the quiet operation ensures it won't disrupt your Zoom calls or late-night relaxation. Addressing common concerns? Wondering about maintenance? The 3 replaceable filters are easy to swap out, and the LED monitor alerts you when it's time for a change. Concerned about water waste? The 2-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio and reusable wastewater feature minimize environmental impact. Worried about safety? The FCC and ETL certifications, combined with BPA-free materials, ensure top-tier reliability. And with a generous warranty and return policy, your investment is protected. Final thoughts. Is the Thereye Countertop water filter worth it? In a word, absolutely. The Thereye Countertop water filter reverse osmosis system delivers on every front: health, convenience, sustainability, and style. Its 7-stage filtration ensures pure, safe water, while instant heating and no installation design make it a breeze to use. Whether you're at home, in an RV, or simply seeking a better way to hydrate, this purifier exceeds expectations. Don't settle for subpar tap water or wasteful bottled water. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover why the Thereye Countertop water filter is the ultimate hydration solution. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.